Hello, welcome to Key Stage 2 Singing Assembly. Let's start by warming our voices up. So, my turn, your turn. Can you feel it buzzing in your nose? Sing, 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 sing. Notice how wide open my mouth is, even though I'm only making that sound in my nose. Sing, sing. Me, 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 Now I'm going to keep that me sound at the back of my throat, E, but the front of my face I'm going to make it into an ah, but I'm going to keep the E at the back. It's all very clever. Ma makes for a nice open sound. Have a go. Ma, 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 me, 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 moo, 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 ya, 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 blah, 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 blah. Right, our voices must be warmed up now. We're going to be going on with the song by Lynn Marsh that we started a couple of weeks ago, Peace. Now, I hope you remember we had two sections that we'd learned so far. I'm going to sing them both to you now, and then we'll have a look at the new section. Okay, so join in if you can. If you should have the words in front of you. Try and pick up the tune if you've forgotten it. If not, go for it. Lovely singing. So sitting up, ready to sing, smiling. This is a wonderful song. Peace, peace, children of the world, sing together in a new day. What a lovely, lovely message that is. Okay, let's have a go at the first section. There's the intro. 3, 4. Peace, peace, children of the world, sing, sing together in a new day. Salaam, Salaam, Atfal, Ghannou, sawa, Okay, let's stop there. Remind ourselves of those two parts because they're going to work together, okay? So we need to be really confident in them. Peace, 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 children of the world. So those first few notes are all step by step next to each other. Peace, peace, chill, la la la. And then it walks down. Children of the, so la 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 la. Then it jumps for the word world. Children of the world. And we stay on that note. Sing, sing together in a new day. So that tune, all the notes are quite close together. Now this next part, Salaam. No, Mrs. Grayson, it does not start on the same note. Salaam. It starts 1, 2, 3, a third up. 1, 2, 3, 3 notes is called a third. It starts 3 notes up, a third up. Salaam, salam. So if you've just heard sing, sing together in a new day, in your head you want to go la la la, and that's where you're going to come in. Day, la la la. Salam, salam. Atfal, alam. Ghannou, sawa. And it finishes on that same note that it started on. Okay, let's have a go. Sing either part. So decide which part you want to sing and sing that, okay? You can either keep singing peace, peace, children of the world, or you can try singing Salaam, salam. Okay, let's have a go. 2, 3, 4. Breathe. Peace, peace, children of the world. Sing, sing together in a new day. Salam, salam, Atfal, alam. Ghannou, sawa. Okay, now here's one I made earlier. There you are. I'm in Blue Peter already. We are going to try singing both those tunes together. So what I've got here is a recording I made earlier of me singing with the piano, and I'm going to sing the opposite part. Whatever I'm singing on this recording, I'm going to sing the opposite. So here we go. So it's going to start with peace, so I'm going to sing Salaam. Salam, salam, Atfal, alam. Ghannou, sawa, and I'm going to swap over. Peace, peace, children of the world. Sing, sing together in a new day. And swap again. Salam, salam, Atfal, alam. Ghannou, sawa. Okay, let's take that back to the beginning. Right, so you do that. Peace comes first, and then salam comes first, and then they come together. So that melody circuit happens 3 times. And then we hear that intro again. And then we go into a new tune, and here it is. So this is the first verse. Let the love inside you open up your heart. Now the most important part of that melody is that the first half of it finishes on that note, and the next part starts on that note. So, let the love inside you, same note, open up your heart. Let's try that. 1, 2. Let the love inside you open up your heart. And then it sounds pretty similar. We can shape the future. But now it changes and we go up a step. We can make a start. Can you hear how that's just walking down the stairs? We can make a start. So you've got the same beginning of the phrase, but it changes and walks downstairs. There we go. Now, This is the bit that I kept getting wrong, so maybe you'll be brilliant at it, but I had to kind of get this one into my head. I don't start there. I wanted to start there. No. This must be. So you go up and then down to that home note. So we can make a start. This must be a message. Love will set us free. Learn to care, learn to share how the world could be. Let's just listen to that last bit again. This must be a message. Love will set us free. Learn to care, learn to share how the world could be. Now, do you remember when we were doing the warm-up, I was talking about that E shape still inside your mouth, even though the front of your mouth is making a different shape, the R shape. This kind of singing really needs a sort of inner smile. So what we do is we take a lovely ball of light, and we take that ball of light and we put it into our mouths. And it fills us with a lovely smile inside, and we keep that smile the whole time we're singing. So let's have a go and see if we can get all the way round through peace, peace, children of the world, Salaam, Salaam, Atfal, and then also let the love inside you. Let's see if we can do that whole cycle. Here we go. What I have to do, because this isn't my phone, I have to open it up, put the code in. Oops. There we go. Right, and then we can sing. Let's see if we can sing the whole sequence through. Here we go. Sitting up and breathe. Peace, peace, children of the world, sing, sing together in a new day. Salaam, Salaam, Atfal, Ghannou, sawa, yawm. Salaam, Salaam, Atfal, Ghannou, sawa, yawm. Let the love inside you open up your heart. We can shape the future. We can make a start. This must be a message. Love will set us free. Learn to care, learn to share how the world will be. Actually, this introduction bit doesn't happen. We go straight into this next section. You ready? Give it a try. Peace, peace, children of the world, sing, sing together in a new day. Salaam, Salaam, Atfal, Ghannou, sawa, yawm. Salaam, Salaam, Atfal. Atfal, Alam, Ghannou, sawa, yawm jadid. Salaam, Salaam, Atfal, Alam, Ghannou, sawa, yawm jadid. And there we are, and we shall stop it there. Fantastic. Well, I hope you have a good sing of that yourselves. If you're in school, have a go at doing it in parts. If you're at home, see if you can get the grown-ups to have a go and join in. It's a lovely piece of music, and choir, that's one of the ones we're doing for the Thames Festival. So next week we might have one last look at that and see if we can add in some signs, some actions to go with the song, particularly the sign for peace. Okay? Fantastic. See you next time.